In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add languages to your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple process that can enhance your professional presence by showcasing your multilingual skills. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in page. Here, you have a few options to access your account. You can choose to sign in with Google, Apple, or simply enter your email address and password. Whichever method you choose, make sure to sign in securely. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you might be prompted to verify your login. Typically, LinkedIn will send a code to your phone which you'll need to enter on the website to proceed. This step ensures that your account remains secure, so be sure to complete it if prompted. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. From here, you need to navigate to your profile. Start by clicking on your profile picture, which is located in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. Select View My Profile from the options provided. On your profile page, just below your profile picture, you'll see a button labeled Add Profile section. Click on this to expand the menu. Here you'll find various options that allow you to enhance your profile by adding different sections. Navigate to the additional drop-down, which is where you'll find the option to add languages. Select Add Language. A new section will appear, allowing you to input the details. In the first text box, type the language you wish to add. Make sure you input the correct spelling to ensure your profile communicates professionally. Next, select your proficiency in that language from the drop-down menu. Different levels of proficiency such as beginner, intermediate or fluent are available. Choose the one that best describes your command of the language. After you've filled in the language and the proficiency level, review the information to ensure it accurately reflects your skills. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your language proficiency has now been added to your LinkedIn profile. This addition can help potential employers or collaborators understand your abilities beyond your primary language, potentially opening doors to new opportunities. And that's it, you've successfully added languages to your LinkedIn profile. This simple enhancement can make your profile more attractive and competitive in the professional landscape. Make sure to keep it updated as your language skills improve over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.